Staying on track and field, Joseph Salmon of Jamaica College has set a new meet record of 66.32 meters to win the Class 1 boys discus on Friday's opening day of the Purewater R. Daniel Williams JC Development Meet. His previous personal best was 62.14 meters achieved at last year's meet. Salmon turned back the challenge of reigning Carifta Games Austin Seeley Award winner Kamari Kennedy of Calabar, who produced the 56 meters flat. Salmon's winning mark was achieved on his fifth attempt, moving him up to number 4 on Jamaica's all-time junior list behind Travis Michael, 66.88 meters, Ralford Mullings, 66.68, and Roger Stoner, 66.41 meters.
It makes me feel like I shouldn't stop working, honestly. To say like I'm like near like Roger Stoner, that man's an Olympic champion. I feel like I don't even know what to say, to be honest.
Now, Jamaica College's reigning Carifta under 20 boy and boys champs Class 1 gold medalist Michael Andre Edwards was impressive in his season opener, cutting the sand at 15.58 meters to set a new meet record in the triple jump. Calabar's Antonia Anderson was second with 15.14 meters, while Roshane Francis of Woolmers placed third with 14.95 meters. Meanwhile, with the meet continuing on Saturday with a spread of track and field events, Chairman of the organizing committee, Ian Forbes, is anticipating a good day of competition.
This afternoon is just a prelude. There's a sprint fest 200 meter. We have the long throws, the discus and the javelin, because we're very cognizant with respect to safety, hence those events being held this afternoon. And of course we also have the triple jump and the pole vault today. To kick off things at 8 a.m. on Saturday morning, the 10th of January, we have a wide array of events, as I've mentioned: 100 meters, 400, 800, the 3,000, 5,000, and of course the shot put, high jump, long jump. We are expecting and anticipating large numbers participating in all these events.